what we have there is negative pressure. So it should be just a little bit past the green line. Past that 0. You gotta do it in spurts. You can't do it all at once. You don't want to overfill it. Because the fridge is running. Let's see where the code stops. Right here. So either it's got a blockage or it's not getting the Freon all the way down to the bottom here. So I'm going to try to boost it all the way through. Open the valve up like that and you'll see it drop. Turn this on here. And we're adding. Valve is open. Now we'll close it. See, we're getting there, see? A little bit more, we'll shoot it again. Shut the valve off. Valve is closed. Alright, they're getting cold. Oh shit. Feel it. -1. Well, this is working. Minus. 2. I don't think my gun's working. What a piece of shit. 0, 2, 3. I can feel the difference, that's for sure. So it's traveling. I can see it there again. You can kind of see it there frosting up until we get to the bottom here. Getting there slowly. You can see it. Now this is a heating element. When the fridge goes on defrost about 6 or 8 times a day, this turns red hot. This element here and defrosts it for you. That's your auto defrost. The fan's not running now because the door is open. The fan stops and the door is open. So we'll get that a little bit more longer. As soon as it gets all cold, we're good to go. And then we have a fixed LG fridge for sale. Sorry about the noise. Sun's out. Alright, she's ready to go. LG stainless steel fridge. Should go fast. I had one here, another one that I sold. This one here is not going quick. Oh, because I gotta take this outside. I notice when I take pictures of them in here, nobody even responds to the ad. If I put them out there and take pictures, people respond to it. So I'm gonna have to drag it out just to take a picture of it.